Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SharkPad 7 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we need to scroll down, all the way down actually, to find About Tablet. So now we need to localize a special number which is called build number usually, so just tap on More, and here let's scroll down and localize the build number, which is, as you can see, at the very bottom of the list. So all you need to do now is to keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. After that, let's tap on the system and then scroll down, and here we've got the developer options, so just tap. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can show notification channel warnings, you can set the transparent navigation bar, you can change window animation scale, show surface updates, etc. So basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you want to turn on something, just tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can quickly turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the very top of the list. And as you can see, right now most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, the developer options should disappear from the system settings. Sometimes you need to only turn off the settings. Let me check it. And the developer options are not visible, which means that we just successfully closed them. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.